Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making healthy shrimp tacos. If this is something that interests you, please follow along. So we're going to start off with some large peeled and deveined shrimps. You can use whatever shrimps you prefer. I prefer large. And we're going to season that with some taco mix seasoning. Normally I would make my own taco seasoning, but we ran out of chili powder and I had to just settle for this. We're also going to add some sea salt for additional flavoring. Mix that up, and then what we're going to do is set this to the side, allow this to marinate while we continue working on the rest of our toppings. Next up, we're going to start making our guacamole. I started off with 1/2 avocado as well as 1 lime. You guys, I am so bad at picking avocados. My wife usually does an amazing job. Leave it up to me, I always get something that's bruised. So once we have the avocado in a bowl, we're going to add in our lime juice. My ratio for my guacamole is usually 1 avocado with the juice of 1/2 of a lime. We're going to add some sea salt to that. A lot of sea salt. Don't add this much salt, please. And we're gonna mix that up. This is all based on preference. You can leave yours chunky. I like mine as creamy as possible, so you're gonna see me do a lot of mashing. Once you get your guacamole to the preferred consistency, you're going to set that to the side while you continue on to your slaw. So to make our slaw, we're going to need some shredded cabbage, a jalapeno, a red onion, and the other 1/2 of our lime. So I'm cutting up about 1/4 of a red onion. I'm just going to chop that into small pieces. Then I'm going to take about 1/4 of the jalapeno and I'm just going to dice that into small pieces, as small as possible. Now, once you have all your vegetables chopped up, we're gonna add the cabbage into a bowl, and we're gonna add in the red onions, the jalapenos. I'm also gonna add in some cilantro. That's about 1/4 of a cup. We're gonna now add in some fat-free Greek yogurt. You're gonna add in about 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup. We're gonna juice the other half of the lime. Season with some sea salt. And mix everything together. Place this mixture to the side, and we're gonna move on to our tortillas and our shrimps. I just added this to the stove with some olive oil spray, and you see me spraying the tortillas, flipping them over. Making sure the shrimps are cooked evenly on both sides. This shouldn't take no more than 3 to 4 minutes. Now for the best part ever, assembling our tacos. We just have our tortillas. We're gonna add in our slaw. Our shrimps. Now we're gonna add some pico de gallo. I'm gonna add some guacamole. And then we're just gonna garnish that with some cilantro. And there you have it.